Okay, so we're talking about the trapezoidal prism. We're on the back side of the notes. We still have to identify first the trapezoid. Where is the trapezoid on this trapezoidal prism? And for this one, the trapezoidal bases are the top and the bottom. You can highlight just one or you can highlight both of them. Doesn't make a difference. But my suggestion is going to be that you draw a small picture of the base separate from the whole prism itself. So for example, I'm going to draw the trapezoidal base, the one that I just colored in yellow, and I'm going to put all the labels on this one little diagram. And this is going to help me when I go later to find my area of the base and my perimeter of the base. So the bases are yellow. Perimeter of the base is going to be the distance around the bases. You can do just one or you can do both of them. You can also do it to the one that you just drew. So if you wanted to color this one in yellow, just so you remember that this is the base, you can color this one in yellow and highlight the perimeter of that one. That helps a lot of kids, is redrawing that base. Last but not least would be the height. My distance from one base to the other, in this case from top to bottom. So my height, my capital H, is going to be 7.0. All right, so if I start this question out, area of the base, it's a trapezoid. 1/2 B1 plus B2 times the height. And if you look at the one that you drew, it actually is really easy to pick these numbers off of the one you drew, easier than picking them off of the whole prism. So area of the base, 1/2. 10 and 4 are my base 1 and base 2. And my lowercase h, height of the base, is 2. Not height of the prism. This is lowercase h, height of the trapezoid, 2 centimeters here. So 1/2, 10 plus 4 is 14, times 2. Half of 14 is 7 times 2, because I haven't used the times 2 yet. And that makes 14 centimeters squared, the area of the base. Perimeter of the base, add up the sides on the trapezoid. 10, 3.6, 4, 3.6. So 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21.2 centimeters. And capital H, overall height of the prism, 7 centimeters. That's the collecting your data phase. Then you want to use your surface area formula. Surface area of a prism, 2 times the area of the base, plus the perimeter times the height. Using my collected data here, which I've color-coded. My yellow to go with my yellow base, my green to go with my green perimeter, my orange to go with my orange height. Substituting those in, 2 times area of the base, 14, plus the perimeter, 21.2, times the height, 7. 2 times 14 is 28. And 21.2 times 7, yep, don't know that off the top of my head. 21.2 times 7, 4, move it in one place, 148.4. And add those together, there's the 0.4, 16, 4, 5, 6, 7, 176.4 centimeters squared. So very comparable, very similar amount of work for surface area of the trapezoidal prism as it was to the triangular prism. Small difference using the formula for area of a trapezoid instead of the formula for area of a triangle. But everything else is the same for rectangular prism, triangular prism, and now trapezoidal prism.